Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay restaurant prices when you can cook it better at home? Today we're going to make Copycat Red Robin Teriyaki Chicken Burger. To a saucepan, we're going to add in 1 3/4 cup of water, 1 cup of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of onion powder and half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 cup of light brown sugar. We're going to bring this to a boil. The mixture starting to boil. We're going to reduce heat to low. We're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to pour this into a container. We're going to cover it and chill it for at least 30 minutes. Take 4 thinly sliced chicken breasts, add it to the sauce, the marinade, and we're going to marinate it for at least 4 hours. You can go up to 12 hours, but don't go over 12. Now, if our grill heated up, place the chicken on our grill. You can also do the charcoal grill outside or a propane grill if you have it. It's going to taste better on a charcoal grill, I'm sure. Everything tastes better on charcoal. We're going to cook each side for about 4 to 6 minutes. And as the chicken's getting done, we'll take the pieces that are done off, and then we'll grill pineapple, 2 slices of pineapple for each chicken sandwich. Now we're going to toast our buns. I like to add a little bit of mayonnaise instead of butter. It cooks better that way. Well, not really cooks better, but it's a lot less of a pain in the butt to put mayonnaise on than butter, and you can't taste the mayonnaise when you cook it. I would like to do our grilled cheese too, but we're going to taste mayonnaise on this anyway because we're going to be putting mayonnaise on it. Now, if our bun's nice and toasted, it's time to make our sandwich. Add about 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise to both top and bottom buns. On the bottom, we're going to add our chicken, 2 slices of Swiss cheese, 2 slices of tomatoes, 2 slices of pineapple, about 1/3 cup of shredded lettuce or so. And now it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's pretty darn good. Now, if you go to Red Robin's and order this, it's going to cost you about $17. For 4 sandwiches, cost us right at $25. I would have been so lazy and just cut a chicken breast in half. Saved us a little bit more because it was $12 for a... How many did we get? 6? In that 1 pack? $12 for 6 full chicken breasts. $10 for the chicken breasts that were already cut in half. That's all it was. Next time I'll just cut them in half, save some money. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.